Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick, and I am back with another video for you guys. Back with another banger as usual. Today we got something coming for you that I've been talking about in my comments, in my DMs. I know some of you guys hit me up about the white F30 rebuild that we did on our channel, about the halogen headlights on there. And so we did go ahead and cop some Xenon headlights, adaptive as well actually, and we're gonna be installing those today. So let's get right into it, and I'll show you guys what's going on. All right guys, so this is the current setup on the car. We have these halogen headlights, basically the stock ones that go on the 12 to 15. Before the car was on auction, the previous owner basically installed some aftermarket halogen headlights on here. And the original headlights that belong on this car are Xenon adaptive headlights. So essentially when we lock this car, or when you unlock the car, these lights just stay on like this for about 10 minutes before they shut off on their own. And just driving in general, you have no high beams, so they're pretty much barely functional. I went ahead and copped some of these guys, Xenon adaptive, like I mentioned. These are pretty much complete. So I went ahead and bought some complete ones because honestly, I don't have anything from, let's say, like the old headlights. And so I called dealer, and this is basically the part numbers they gave me. I want to give a huge shout out though to Straight Six and to Car Part Solutions. They hooked me up with a really good price on these headlights. Yeah guys, it's a pretty simple installation. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna jack up the car, turn the wheel one side, take off the side of the bumper, swap the headlight, put it back together. Just same thing to the other side. There's no need to really take off the bumper here. At least I'm gonna try and get around that. I'm gonna put you on a quick time lapse and let's get right into it. Wow. All right guys, we're in the game, we're in the business. That looks freaking amazing compared to that, obviously, but wow, that looks so good. All right guys, so the headlight is functional. Honestly, I'm super excited about this. I'm just happy with how much better this makes the car look. Upgrading your headlights or upgrading your taillights just makes a huge difference to the car. So those are kind of things that are like OEM, as well as like functional, as well as like looks wise, they look amazing. So but yeah guys, quick tip for when swapping your headlights, if you guys ever come across that, is what I did is take off the fender liner and the wheel. Well, the wheel first and the fender liner obviously, but they just made it so much easier because there's some connections. I don't know if we're gonna catch this on camera, but some connections, basically some connections back there. There's two T30 bolts that are like pretty much impossible to get to unless you pull apart stuff like this. So yeah guys, realistically I did not want to pull off the bumper because I've messed a lot with the fitment on the top side of the bumper, where the bumper and the hood connect. So realistically it's a lot of work to get that aligned back to how it is right now. So I find it a lot easier to do something like this. But yeah guys, let's get into the other side. Let's go. But yeah guys, check this out. Sheesh. Let's get it put together. Alright guys, so quick update on the interior. We ended up swapping that back to tan. I know a lot of you guys were like, don't do the black, it looks like a E90, blah blah. So I did go back, I did listen to you guys, and I did go back with the tan one. I honestly think it looks better. We still kept this brake boot black. I think it just looks a lot more neat. The tan one was really worn out as well, so honestly don't want to buy it new from BMW, and I probably won't find a good looking one on eBay. So we also went with black floor mats. Surprisingly, the ones I had on there got dirty so fast. I mean, I drove this car for like a week and they got dirty. So these are a little bit dirty right now, but just from dust and little stuff. But in general, the carpet on there was super dirty. You can even tell like there how dirty this carpet is. So I'm definitely trying to get, especially the headliner. I don't know if you guys can necessarily see it, but it's pretty dirty. All the carpet around here is pretty dirty. So it's just one of those things. I mean, that's tan interior for you, that's tan carpet. Not the greatest fan of it, but I think once we clean it up, it's gonna look pretty good. So, plus we added the black accents, which made it look better, in my opinion, than it came from factory for sure. So, but yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know some of you asked me about retrofitting halogen to xenon headlights. This is not really a retrofit video. If you guys do wanna see something like that, I did do aftermarket xenon style headlights on my other BMW. It's actually just beautifully chilling right there. I did the Xenon style headlights on there. I do have a video on my channel for that. So if you guys do want to see something like that, be sure to check that video out. That'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something new. Leave some suggestions in the comments down below what you guys want to see next. Possibly on this car, what you guys want to see next for us, for me and Johnny to rebuild. Yeah guys, thank you for all the love, all the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.